Even with a solid install, issues can pop up now and then. Let's walk through the most common questions and how to handle them like a pro. No water? It's usually something simple. First, make sure your feed water and tank valves are both fully open. Double check that the RO faucet is turned on. Just installed? Give the tank 2 to 3 hours to fill. Still dry after that? Disconnect the yellow tubing at the tank. If it sprays, your faucet may be the problem. Finally, check that all the tubing is secure and seated deep into the fittings. Leaks usually show up at tubing joints or filter housings. Shut off your feed and tank valves immediately. Remove the tubing and push it back in. Make sure it's seated a good 5/8 inch. Check O-rings, clean, undamaged, and in place. For threaded leaks, wrap with Teflon tape and retighten. If something's cracked, reach out to APEC support for replacement. That's normal after a filter change, just trapped air. Flush the system 2 to 3 full tank cycles. Tip the RO unit gently to release air from the housings. If you've got an alkaline filter, it may naturally release microbubbles from added minerals and oxygen. This might point to pressure issues or a worn-out filter. Use a gauge to check your home pressure. Make sure it's over 45 psi. Replace filters if they're past 6 to 12 months. Check the shutoff valve. It should be installed correctly and working. A slight drain trickle is normal. A constant stream? That's not. Let's troubleshoot. Is the tank full? Lift it. If it's light, it's not. Check the tank's air pressure. Empty? Should read 7 to 10 psi. Use a bike pump on the Schrader valve underneath. Make sure the tank valve's open and tubing's not pinched. Still slow? Could be time to replace the membrane or inline filters. You bet. APEC systems work great with fridge lines. Use APEC's refrigerator connection kit. If your fridge is more than 10 feet away, consider a booster pump. Important: don't use your fridge dispenser until after the initial flush. Carbon dust can clog the internal filters. Sediment, carbon block, inline, and pH filters every 6 to 12 months. RO membrane every 2 to 3 years depending on water quality. UV bulb every 12 months. Even if your water tastes fine, filters lose their punch over time. Stay on schedule. Absolutely. APEC systems are built to grow with your needs. Add a pH plus mineral stage, UV sterilization, or DI filter. Add a second storage tank for higher demand. Need help? Check out our manual or visit our website for more info. Yes, for general use and drinking. But for sensitive aquarium species, especially reef tanks, stick to DI-treated water and test often. Some noise is normal, especially during refill. Clicking or a soft hiss? Totally fine. Loud gurgling? Could be your drain saddle needs realigning. Rattling? Tubing might be knocking around. Secure it with clips or Velcro. Still need help? Check the manual or visit our website. APEC's got your back every step of the way.